Hello guys, this is Mr. Lopez. Okay, and today I want to see if we can find the derivative of this very amazing looking function. Okay, 1 plus e to the negative 2x over x plus 10 of 12x. Before we do that, I must admit that we need a little bit of extra information, and it's this one right here. The information here says that the derivative of e to the x happens to be e to the x again. Okay. Also notice that this function is basically, we have a division of functions here in a way, so we need to use this rule right here that we've discussed in class before. Okay, so I say let's go ahead and find all our ingredients, hence f prime of x and g prime of x. Okay, so just like I do in class, I'm going to go ahead and call this function here f of x. And this function in the bottom, I'm going to call it g of x. Okay, so what could be the derivative of f of x, this function here on top? Well, the first piece is easy. The derivative of 1 is 0, so I'm going to go ahead and write 0, plus e to the derivative of e to the negative 2x. Now, you got to be careful. E to the negative 2x, it's a function that is composed. The outer function is e to the x, and the inner function is negative 2x. If you remember the chain rule, then it must be that the derivative of this piece of the function is negative 2 times e to the negative 2x. Negative 2 is the derivative of negative 2x, and e to the negative 2x is the derivative of the outer function. Okay? And of course, we can always rewrite this as negative 2 e to the negative 2x. Done. Okay, so let's take a look at g prime of x. What could that be? Well, again, this first piece seems to be easy. The derivative of x is 1, so I'm going to go ahead and write a 1 here. The derivative of 10 of 12x, using the tables that we have, and also having the chain rule in mind, should be 12 times. Let me go back a little bit. There we go. 12 times secant squared of 12x. Okay? Let's put everything together now. The derivative with respect to x of k of x, in this case, is equal to f prime of x, which is negative 2e to the negative 2x, times g of x, which is x plus 10 of 12x, minus f of x, which is 1 plus e to the negative 2x, times g prime of x, which we just found out is 1 plus 12 secant squared of 12x. And all of that must be divided by g of x squared. Okay, here we go. X plus 10, 12x, and everything squared. Okay, and there you have it. That is the first derivative of k of x. So I would love for you guys to try a little challenge. Let me write here, challenge. If I give you this extra piece of information, that the derivative with respect to x of ln of x, or the natural logarithm of x, is 1 over x, okay, if you know this, then I wonder, could you find the derivative of this new function? I'm going to call this function q of x, and this new function is called, it is z to the 5th power minus e to the x ln to the x. Now let me change that z for an x. There we go. Okay. So let's see. This will be the challenge for you today. Remember, use this extra piece of information and have the chain rule in mind, okay? So good luck to everyone. Bye.